Hi, my name is Rich Schnittger. I'm the product manager at TPG Software, and I'm going to quickly walk through our new OTT Analyzer application, which features the ability to process impairment positions. Now, our OTT Analyzer application works in conjunction with our Portfolio Genius application, which handles all the accounting for assets and liabilities within your portfolio. The OTT Analyzer was created so that you could capture those impaired positions and process them as you need to. Now, what the OTT Analyzer application does, you can load in cash flows from a source like Intex, which would include principal write-downs as well as interest shortfalls. These can be modeled through Intex or some other modeling software, and they can be loaded into our OTT Analyzer application. Once the OTT Analyzer application has the cash flows, you can process your positions either individually or in a batch, all your positions. Now, once the cash flows are in there, you can calculate the values, and once calculated, the results will show down below, giving you the credit loss as well as the non-credit loss calculations. You'll see below, you can see the OTTI amounts as well as the OCI amounts. And you can also see cash flows. We'll also project cash flows going forward. Using the impaired cash flows, you'll be able to see those cash flows along with the write-offs and the shortfalls. You'll also see the projected OCI accretion and the carrying balance falling as well. Now, the OTTI Analyzer will also create reports as well as GL entries to support your audit requirements and documentation for your impairment positions. Running reports is very easy through the OTT Analyzer. We use MRS reporting services at this point, and we include detail reports which will show the cash flows along with all the amortized cost information, current yield versus prior yield, as well as any OCI accretion that you might have on your impaired positions. Currently, the OTT Analyzer application supports 5 status options, and those status options can be seen as OTTI with no additional credit loss, prior OTTI with additional credit loss with further decline in OCI, prior OTTI additional credit loss, reclassification from OCI to credit loss with decline in fair value, additional credit loss, reclassification from OCI to credit loss, limited to the amount of credit loss, fair value is increased, therefore no change in carrying value, and new impairments.